Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project on InShot by clicking on this video and then select new, and then you can choose a video you want to remove the watermark from. And for example, I'm going to select a video from this folder or this album. Okay, I'm gonna add this video to my InShot project. And for example, guys, I'm going to remove this watermark from my video. We can duplicate this video on our project. We can click on the video and then scroll all the way to the right until we find the duplicate menu. Select duplicate and make it as an overlay by clicking on this switch option. And then you can make your second video align with the first video like this, and then click on the second video, and we're going to go to the mask option. We're going to use mask to remove the watermark. We can click on the mask and then choose the shape of the mask you want to apply. I'm gonna apply the circle mask like this, and we can adjust the size of the mask according to the watermark we want to remove. Okay, and then take another part of your video to cover the watermark. I'm gonna take this part because this part will be suitable to cover it. Okay, then click on the check mark, and then you can cover the watermark with mask like this. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And then to make it more natural, I recommend you to apply filter or to adjustment. But before it, we can go to the filter menu. Okay, and here you can apply filter or adjustment. I'm just going to select adjustment, and I'm going to select lightness, and I'm going to increase the lightness a little bit like this to make it more natural. Okay, then click on the check mark, click on the check mark again, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video using the mask feature. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.